Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter! Boom, 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 boom. Review stuff. And I am back in Indianapolis. I'm getting ready to go pick up the dogs here in just a little bit, and I needed to pick up my cup of Joe first. Hold on, I gotta throw this out. Listen, I didn't drink all of it from a week ago. Don't come for me, you hippies. Waste not, want not. Okay. So anyway, I'm getting ready to go through Starbucks, and I was like, I'm gonna do a Starbucks review. It's been a week. Why not? It's Halloween. It's the month of October, so get ready for lots of Halloween reviews this month, and I'm really, really excited about it. And today I'm gonna review the Nightmare Before I keep on saying that. The Nightmare Before Christmas, is that what it's called? Sally Frappuccino, because there was a Jack, I guess I pronounced it wrong, Skellington Monn, Jack Skellington Frappuccino, and there is a Sally one, and there is also, I don't remember this movie, you guys. I'm gonna have to watch this movie again since y'all are making me drink all these drinks. But there's also a Oogie Boogie or something like that. Somebody sent me, there's an Oogie Boogie. Is there an Oogie Boogie character in the, I don't know. Anyway, why can't y'all do something easy like Scooby-Doo, the Scooby-Doo Frappuccino or something? Oh, maybe I'll do that. Okay, maybe I'll invent the Scooby-Doo Frappuccino. I'm either gonna do the Sally today, or I'm gonna invent the Scooby-Doo Frappuccino. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna invent my own Frappuccino today. We're gonna call it, and then tomorrow we could do the Sally Joe, because I don't know Sally Joe, I don't care about Sally Joe, but I do love the Scooby-Doo. So anyway, I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to go pick up my dogs here in a little bit. I can't wait to see. Oh, that would be perfect. The Scooby-Doo, see, and Shaggy too. Okay, so let's go through here, and I'm either gonna. Depending on who I get today, we'll see what I'm gonna do. There's probably already a Scooby-Doo Frappuccino. Can I get a venti iced coffee with one equal? And I have my own cup.
Venti iced coffee with one equal. Anything else for you?
Yeah, can I kind of make my own Frappuccino?
Yeah.
Okay, I want a Grande Frappuccino.
Okay.
Did this just switch people?
No. Why would you do that?
Oh my God, hey, how are you?
I'm fine. What are we making for you, Peter?
I missed you so much.
Well, you did not, you big liar. You're so nice.
No, I did. I missed you so much. There's nobody behind me either. Okay.
Okay, good.
Well, I'm going to do tomorrow the Sally Joe from Nightmare Before Christmas or whatever. But today I'm going to do a Scooby-Doo. So I love Scooby-Doo. I do too. Scooby-Doo's my favorite, so I'm inventing this, okay? So we need something that's kind of Scooby-Doo colored. So let's do like a caramel Frappuccino. Is there anything like that?
Okay, yep.
Caramel, or they'll come for me. Okay. And then, what else do you think? How about some toffee crunch in there?
Ooh, let me see. I could do some. I've got like caramel crunchies I can put on there for you.
Let's do that. And then can we put some of those cookie crunch things on the top? Because like the cookie treats, that's Scooby snacks.
Yeah, like Scooby snacks, of course.
Do you think of anything else? What would be something scary, mysterious?
You need some like, he's got like black spots, right? You need some like, we're gonna do some Mocha Drizzle on the side of the
That's perfect. You're so good. Okay.
Now I have to find all the buttons for all of the things.
And I'm sure it's $14.95.
So far you're doing all right.
Okay.
You're only at like $6 for this one.
Oh, that's good. Okay, well, hell,
caramel Frappuccino with caramel
$6
and
coffee.
Cookie crumbles on top of the drizzle on the side. Do you want to add anything else crazy to it? I can't think of anything else.
No, I think that's perfect.
Okay, so just these two drinks for you, $9.70. I'll see you at the window.
Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna have to have him. I'm never gonna remember that. Well, it'll say it on the side. Still got like some stuff in it. They have a new joke, but I'm gonna save it for you.
Hi, Peter.
Hi, how are you? Did you miss me?
I did. How was San Diego?
It was great. They have a coffee place out there called Better Buzz.
Called what?
Called Better Buzz.
Better Buzz?
I liked Starbucks better, but my husband liked it better.
We went to some place in Tennessee, and it was just like a cafe con leche, but I tell you what, it was the best cup of coffee I've ever had. I can't even remember what the place was.
Even better than Starbucks?
Well, okay, yeah. I mean, I work here, but...
Okay, what do you...
Like, after you work here for so long, it's not quite the same.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, can I scan your Starbucks card?
I have it all ready for you. I did have it all ready for you. What do you call a cow that has just given birth?
Decaffeinated.
That is bad. That is so bad.
It's pretty bad. Yeah.
Yeah, I like really like a good just like cup of coffee from like a local coffee shop, like a fair. Did you ever go to Monn Coffee Shop?
No.
In Broderpool? I love it. You don't go out of your house.
I don't. I'm a homebody. I read books, I play video games, I stay inside.
What's a book that you've read recently that's really good?
I'm reading 1984. I finished all the Narnia books recently.
You know I have a booktube channel too.
Do you really?
Mm-hmm.
What am I reading next?
I wrote a book.
I remember you did.
If I give you a copy, will you read it?
I will.
Okay. I can't give them away. I can't sell them. Don't nobody want them.
Does this look like a dog?
Oh my God! That looks. Look here. Look, they're both here. This is the Starbucks couple right here. Oh no, not him.
No.
Nathan, how are you? How are you, Nathan?
Good. How are you?
Good. Okay. Thank you so much for doing this.
Text me.
Okay. Yeah, I will, because we're gonna do it this week.
Okay.
Okay. What are your days off?
Thursday. Tomorrow.
And oh, that's gonna be a little quick. And what else?
Or next Monday or Thursday.
That might work. Okay. Okay. Bye. Whew. They're all up in there today. All my faves. I think Peter might have invented a really good drink here, so just get ready. Now, when I was a little kid, let me just tell you, and I've told this on here before, I don't love the cartoons. Y'all keep on wanting me to do these drinks about cartoons that I've never seen, okay? Like, listen. I was talking to somebody, who was I talking about to the other day? Something about that Coraline. Like, that Coraline, that movie was okay. I liked it. I remember our friend, Alex and I, our friend, he was like, one night, he was like, let's go see a movie, and we were all excited. There was like all these great movies out, and we were like, okay, what do you want to go see? And he's like, Coraline. And we're like, don't you want to go see something else? He's like, no, I want to go see Coraline. And I was like sitting in the movie theater, and I truly thought to myself, I paid like $20 for us to go see this Coraline movie anyway. And then I kept on wanting to call her Coraline, because my cousin's name is Caroline, and I always wanted to call her I kept on wanting to call her Coraline. I mean, it was good, but anyway, I have the book at home. I've never read it, by Neil Gaiman. Anyway, what am I talking about? When I was a kid, okay, we would get up on Saturdays, you know, and then my mom would make me pancakes, and she would make them like in special shapes, you know, like, but they never looked like what she'd say. She'd say, oh, that looks like a Mickey Mouse, and I'd be like, oh, it looks like a turd, or something like that. And then, she'd be like, oh, it doesn't look like a turd, and I'd be like, mother, that does not look like Mickey Mouse. It looks straight up like a dog turd or something. And it'd always be burnt, because my mother couldn't cook. If you hear my vlogs, you know, my mother, she couldn't cook to save her life. And she would even, like, my mom would bake cookies, and then she'd say, I like the burnt ones. That's what she would say, because they were always so burnt. My mother would always say, well, I like the burnt ones. Well, of course you'd have to like the burnt ones if you were my mother, because she burnt every cookie she ever made. Okay. But I did love Scooby-Doo because there was like a story to it. If there was like a story to it, I love that. And so when I was a kid, I would watch like Scooby-Doo and Richie Rich. Those were like the two that had storylines to them, kind of, you know. They were kind of like soap operas for kids. I love that. My grandma, she loved the soap operas. We used to watch back in the day. We would watch One Life to Live. No, we would start 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. We would start with One Life to Live. We were ABC. One Life to Live, All My Children, and General Hospital. She didn't watch that, like, Loving. That was like a half an hour. Do you remember that? But anyway, we would watch Price is Right, and then the news. And the news was always when we ate, because my grandma, she didn't care about the news. So we would eat, and she'd make me like a tomato soup and a grilled cheese sandwich. Oh my God, I loved it so much. And then, and then the news would come on, and then she didn't watch her Loving and all that stuff. She didn't care about all that. But then we would watch her stories, and then my grandma would sit there, and I was supposed to just sit there and be real silent for like 3 hours, you know, and I would ask my grandma like 100 questions, like, why is he kissing her and all this kind of stuff. And my grandma would say, and she'd just sit there and she would smoke her Salem lights and drink her coffee. And she had one of those tall ashtrays. Do you remember that? Those tall ashtrays that had like a glass ashtray in it. And she'd say, don't bother grandma while she's watching her stories. So anyway, and I didn't because I love my grandma and I didn't want to bother her. Anyway, so, but back in the day, my mom, she would, on Saturdays, we would watch those shows. And then there was always watched this like story show that I like where they would like turn like a book into like a TV show. Do you know what I'm talking about? So it would be like you would read like back then like A Wrinkle in Time, but it wasn't with Oprah. It was just with some character with some actress you'd never heard of before, and she was lucky she even got a part in that. And then it would be like a film strip and a TV show. I mean, in a school. Do you remember that? You go to the library and you watch those film strips. It was those kind of movies, okay? The Great Gilly Hopkins and all that kind of stuff. Oh my God, I love that book so much. Okay, but anyway. So, and then after that, we would move the table, we would have Soul Train, and we would dance in the kitchen, and we would do all this kind of stuff, and we would learn our dance moves. So anyway, but I love Scooby-Doo back in the day. So this is perfect that I'm making because I'm so tired of the Nightmare on Elm Street Before Christmas, or whatever it's called. So this is a Scooby-Doo Frappuccino. Okay, and what it is a Grande caramel, if I say caramel, y'all come for me. Caramel Frappuccino with cookie crumbles, Mocha Drizzle, add caramel crunch. I'm so excited, oh my God, okay. Can I tell you what my dream would be? Oh my God, this is so good. Damn, Peter, you came up with a good drink, okay. Okay. This kind of reminds me of the cookie crumble one they already have, which is probably why I love it, because it just has the cookie crumbles on top of it. Can you see? But I'm going to give this a 4 or 5 out of 5. This is really good. It tastes straight up like a Scooby snack. Oh my God, I was just going to tell you something and I totally forgot it. What was I going to say? This is really, really good. Oh, I know I was going to say my dream. Okay, so I have been reading that website, totallythebomb.com, which I will link below because it's where I get a lot of the ideas for my frappuccinos. Like, every weird frappuccino they have over there, right? But I went there today, and I was reading all the articles over there that they had, like, posted recently. I was just kind of, like, skimming through it, and they were talking about, like, these ceramic Christmas trees are at Target and stuff. This website, I don't know who runs this website, but this website is so cute, you guys. And it has all the, like, newest pop culture stuff. It has different kinds of food, like, stuff that Target has. Different kinds of game pieces that you can get and all this kind of stuff. It is so cute. I love this website, totallythebomb.com. So, you need to go check out totallythebomb.com. I'm listing it below. Tell them I sent you. I would love to make an article, and it would be me, and they would do my drink, the Scooby-Doo. That would be my dream, to be in the totallythebomb.com, and they would use my drink, the Scooby-Doo. So anyway, you guys go check out the Scooby-Doo. This was kind of fun today. This is my second Frappuccino that I have invented. There probably is already a Scooby-Doo Frappuccino out there, but it's not as good as mine, so don't even worry about it, okay? And then tomorrow, I'm probably gonna review the Sally Joe from the Nightmare Before Christmas, because everybody wants me to do that one. I've gotten a lot of DMs about that and the Oogie Boogie one. So I'm gonna have to rewatch that movie so I know what's going on. Anyway, you guys go try the Scooby-Doo Scooby Snacks. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.